Hi, and welcome to our channel, My Simple Remedies. This magical mixture will remove all the dark spots from your skin. No matter how permanent your skin spots and patches are, it would remove them and make your skin clear, bright, and spotless. You just need to apply this and results will leave you shocked. You can use this mixture to revive your dull, dead skin and apply it to your entire body or face. Banana peel and rice flour make your skin super smooth, removes all the dead layers from your skin, and makes your skin look years younger than your actual age. Now, let's move on our secret recipe. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and like the video to support me. Thanks in advance, and I love you all. Wash the banana and peel it off. Now, cut the banana peels in small slices. Did you know banana peel contains high amount of vitamins which brighten skin tone and remove pigmentation? Banana peel contains high percentages of collagen, which delays the signs of aging. Now, transfer the sliced banana peels in a clean pot and add a tablespoon of white rice, which I washed already. Rice makes your skin clear, remove age spots, and fights the appearance of wrinkles. Next, add around a cup of water. Now, boil the ingredients for a nice 10 to 15 minutes on medium-low flame. When you see the 90% of the water has dried, transfer that to a mixer jar and blend until it forms a nice, thick, smooth, and consistent paste. Now, we need to filter the mixture by passing them through a strainer. This would also remove the remnants of the ingredients which have not been grinded well. Now, I am adding a tablespoon of rice flour because it would help retain your dead skin cells back and gives your skin that extra glow like Koreans. Next, we need to add a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice as it removes the dark patches from skin and also improves uneven skin tone. If lemon juice doesn't suit your skin, then you can replace it with orange juice. Lastly, I am adding 1 tablespoon of milk powder because milk powder is rich in vitamins, which helps nourish the skin. Mix it well and transfer the mixture into a clean container. You can store this mixture for up to 1 week in the refrigerator. Now for application. Take a small amount of mixture and apply it to your face or any part of your body where you want to apply it. Use a brush or hands, whichever you are more comfortable with. You can also apply the mixture under your eyes, but remember to do a patch test before applying it under eyes. Once applied, you need to leave it on your skin for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, rinse your face or wherever you have applied this with warm water first and then use cold, normal tap water to wash it off. Now moisturize your skin with vitamin E oil instantly and you are done. Even after the very first use, you will see noticeable difference. You can use this 2 to 3 times a week, depending on the results you want to achieve. This will make your skin very clear, spotless, and bright. The results are just amazing. Share the secret with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye!